Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Arum Indrasari and Jessica Citra Apriliana Rossi would like to present my article. The title is Total Quality Management or TQM, Management Accounting System, Islamic Leadership Style, Organizational Commitment, and Managerial Performance. The overview of my article is the first introduction, the research problem or objectives, theory or model or framework, hypothesis, research design or methodology, population, sample, and scale and data collection tool, analysis, key findings, conclusion, recommendation, and future research, and then references. Kuswanto in Muslikun et al. 2016 said, in the 21st century, there have been many significant changes to international business environment. With emergence of the global business, the globalization of information technology, and the quality strategic management, performance has become very important for every organization. Even though the TQM application in university invites some polemic, Fogg 1993 argues that university can adopt the principle of TQM in 4 areas. According to Ciptono 1999 in Noriana 2012, the presence of TQM in universities has an impact on conventional management changes. In this case, there are 6 main challenges that need to be studied and managed strategically in order to implement the TQM concept in higher education. Community demands on higher education are not only limited to the ability to produce academically measurable graduates, but the entire program and higher education institution must be able to prove the high quality that is supported by existing accountability. Evidence that achievement, assessment, quality certification, absorption of graduates in the job market that are in accordance with the field of science, and evaluation results are also needed to obtain recognition from the public. That's from Fogg 1993. The development of global competitions requires existing organizations to survive to compete with the new organization. It can encourage existing organizations to maximize their performance by improving the quality of products, services, and strategies that will be used by each company. The method commonly used by a company in increasing competition is the application of the quality of product and services as strategy to be able to compete. At Al-Hudri and Herianto 2015. The objective of this research is to examine the association of total quality management or TQM, management accounting system, Islamic leadership style, organizational commitment, and managerial performance. Theory here, we're using the contingency theory based on the Fiedler assume that the leadership is a process of the ability of a leadership to make an impact depending on the group, task, situation, and the level of their leadership style, personality, and approach. A leader is not a leader because of their personality, but because of the various factors of the situation and the interaction between the leader and their situation. Fiedler in Manley et al. 2013. Contingency theory is an organizational theory that claims that there is no best way to organize a corporation, to lead a company, or to make decisions. Instead, the optimal course of action is contingent or dependent upon the internal and external environment. We have 5 hypotheses. The first hypothesis is implementation of total quality management has a positive and significant effect on managerial performance. Hypothesis 2, performance measurement system strengthen the relationship between total quality management and managerial performance. Hypothesis 3, reward system strengthen the relationship between total quality management toward managerial performance. Hypothesis 4, Islamic leadership style strengthen the relationship between total quality management toward managerial performance. Hypothesis 5, organizational commitment strengthen the relationship between total quality management and managerial performance. The primary data used in this research was obtained through a questionnaire. The independent variable of this research is total quality management. The moderating variables of this research are performance measure systems, reward system, Islamic leadership system, style, and organizational commitment. The dependent variable of this research is managerial performance. Methodology that we use is a descriptive statistic test, validity test, reliability test, and hypothesis test. We're using simple regression analysis and moderate regression analysis. A population in this study is managers in Islamic-based private university from 3 universities in the area of Yogyakarta, Indonesia. The total sample is 104 respondents. The instrument here, we use Scala Likert, which 1 is strongly disagree, 2 is disagree, 3 is neutral, 4 is agree, and 5 is strongly agree. The analysis for the hypothesis 1, that's the hypothesis 1 is accepted. The implementation of total quality management in the university can improve managerial performance. In increasing the competitiveness of the university, managers always consider suggestions from stakeholders, are focused on the quality of their organization, develop sound strategies for improving the quality of their services, aim to improve their human resources, have long-term commitment to achieving their goals, and display good teamwork skill. This research is supported by previous research by Mediana et al. 2014, which states that the application of TQM has a positive and significant effect on managerial performance in PT Inka in Madiun. Al-Hudri and Herianto 2015 also identified a positive and significant effect on the implementation TQM towards the managerial performance in PT PLN Bangkinang. Hypothesis 2 is accepted as well. These results are in line in the previous research by Mardia and Listianingsih 2005, Mince 2013, and Kumentas 2013. Their research stated that the performance measurement system have a positive and significant effect toward the relationship of TQM and managerial performance. According to their research, performance measurement system are the moderating variable which strengthen the relationship of total quality management toward managerial performance. Hypothesis 3 is accepted as well. This result shows that this study is supported by previous research by Supratiningrum and Zulaiha 2003 and Mahenu and Ambriani 2016, which state that the interaction of total quality management is reward system significantly influences managerial performance. The implementation of reward systems can motivate employees and managers to improve the quality of their performance. Therefore, the implementation of TQM in the university should be maximized. Hypothesis 4 is accepted. This result is consistent with previous research by Ang et al. 2013 and Suranta 2014, which state that leadership style is not only significant but also has the highest coefficient determinant among the relationship with their study. Ang et al. 2013 argues that having good leadership straight distributed in a company can lead to an improvement in TQM practices. In addition, the ideal mix of distributed, charismatic, and strategic leadership style can also significantly improve TQM practices in companies. Hypothesis 5, the result of this study showed that the interaction between TQM and organizational commitment has a positive and significant effect on managerial performance in Islamic-based private university in Yogyakarta. This means that the application of good TQM in the university with high organizational commitment can improve university managerial performance. The results of this research are in line with previous research conducted by Yani 2012, Mulyani et al. 2017, and Mardiati and Prabowo 2015, who provide empirical evidence about the importance of organizational commitment as a contingency factor in the effort to improve managerial performance. The result of their studies indicate that the interaction between total quality management and organizational commitment has a positive and significant effect toward managerial performance. In other words, organizational commitment strengthens the relationship between total quality management and managerial performance. The key findings show that the total quality has a positive significant effect on managerial performance. Thereafter, the result of the moderated regression analysis, the performance measurement system, reward system, Islamic leadership style, and organizational commitment are the moderating variable that moderate or strengthen the relationship between total quality management toward management performance. The conclusion, total quality management has a positive and significant effect toward managerial performance. The effective implementation of total quality management in university can improve managerial performance. This is because the effective application of total quality management in university can improve managerial performance. Performance measurement system as a moderating variable strengthen the relationship between total quality management toward management performance. Recommendation, the first, research should expand the scope of the research subjects and increase the number of samples to obtain the best result. Second, further research should use another research method and not be confined only to the method of distributing questionnaires, such as conducting brief interviews. And the last, the research should add other variables such as locus of control or work culture. This is the references. Okay, thank you. Wish you all very best for you.